This is your iHealth blood glucometer, and it will help you measure and monitor your blood sugar levels. In this video, we are going to show you how to use your glucometer. There are a number of parts to this device, so before beginning, you need to gather your iPad, your glucometer, test strips, lancets, and lancing pen. Open your iHealth Gluco app on the iPad. Then turn on your glucometer by pressing the M button on the side of the device for 3 seconds. When the device is turned on, the lights will flash. Next, take a test strip from the bottle and put it into the glucometer, following the directions of the red arrows. The small clear window should be facing out. Next, take the cap off the lancing pen and put a new lancet into the lancing holder, with the flat end going into the pen and the circle end staying exposed, as Suzanne is showing us now. Twist the circle top off of the lancet to expose the sharp end. This is the side you will use to prick your finger. To set the level, you will need to twist the grey cap. Suzanne has chosen level 3. To set the level you have chosen, turn the dial with the arrows on the other end of the pen until you hear a click into place. You are now ready to take a sample. Press the open end of the lancing pen against the skin of your index finger. Press down on the button and release to puncture the skin. Gently squeeze where you have punctured until a drop of blood forms on your finger. Take your glucometer in your other hand and place the tip of the test strip on top of the blood sample, trying to cover the entire window with the blood sample. When the glucometer has gotten enough blood for a reading, a countdown will begin from 5 to 1, and your reading will appear on the screen, as well as on the device. You can now exit the app by pressing the home button.